Welcome back to Financial Medley. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for financial success, setting smart financial goals. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by vague money dreams like I want to save more or I need to invest better, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. What are SMART goals? SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. So you can safely say that SMART goals are goals that carries those elements above. Each of these elements transforms a vague idea into a concrete plan. SMART financial goal must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, planning for retirement, or working toward paying off debt, the SMART framework will guide you to success. A specific goal clearly defines what exactly you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it. It removes ambiguity by outlining exactly what you're aiming for. Example, instead of I want to save more money, say I want to save $5,000 for my emergency fund. In the specific example, you've pinpointed an exact amount and a purpose for that money. This level of clarity helps you design a savings plan, decide how much to set aside each month, and even determine where to keep the funds. When a goal is specific, it directs your focus and helps you understand exactly what steps are needed to accomplish it. Without specifics, you risk creating a vague goal that's hard to track and achieve. A measurable goal includes criteria that allow you to track your progress. It's about quantifying your target so you can see incremental improvements along the way. When you measure your progress, you're able to celebrate small wins and make necessary adjustments if you're falling behind. This feedback loop is crucial for staying motivated and on track. For example, you aim to save $5,000 in 1 year. Break it down into smaller monthly targets. Since $5,000 divided by 12 months is roughly $417 per month, you can now focus on saving that amount every month. By having this clear and measurable milestone, you can review your bank statements each month and adjust your budget if you're not meeting the target. This automatically transforms a big, potentially intimidating goal into manageable, trackable chunks.
Achievable financial goal is realistic, given your current financial situation. It challenges you, but it doesn't set you up for inevitable failure by being too far out of reach. Your goal should challenge you, but also be realistic. For example, you have calculated that saving $417 a month is necessary to hit your annual target. Now, look at your income, monthly expenses, and any outstanding debts to determine if this monthly saving is realistic. If $417 a month strains your budget, consider adjusting either the target amount or the time frame. For example, you might lower the monthly savings requirement and extend the time frame, ensuring that your goal remains challenging but within reach. Setting an achievable goal ensures that you remain motivated and confident in your ability to succeed. If a goal is too ambitious given your income, expenses, or other commitments, it can lead to frustration and burnout. A relevant goal aligns with your broader financial objectives and personal values. It should make sense in the context of your overall life plan. Don't just set financial goals because others are doing same. Ensure you set goals that are relevant to your life's big picture. For example, you are saving $5,000 for an emergency fund. Ask yourself, how does this goal support my overall financial health? In this case, having an emergency fund is a foundational step towards financial security. It can prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Similarly, if you're working toward buying a home, having a solid emergency fund might be a prerequisite to secure a mortgage, making your goal directly relevant to your bigger picture. When your goal is relevant, it has a clear purpose and significance in your life. This alignment keeps you committed and gives your efforts a meaningful direction, whether it's for long-term financial security, buying a home, or another major milestone. A time-bound goal has a clear deadline, which creates a sense of urgency and prompts you to act fast. For example, you say, I will save $5,000 by December 31st, 2025. The implications of this are urgency. With a specific deadline in mind, you know exactly how long you have to reach your goal. Planning. You can work backward from the deadline to plan your monthly savings targets, in this case, about $417 per month. Motivation. Having a set end date pushes you to track your progress regularly and adjust your strategies if you're falling behind schedule. Deadlines help prevent procrastination and encourage consistent progress. They create a structure that helps you plan your actions and measure your achievements over time. Let's put it all together with a real-life example. Suppose your dream is to retire early. A vague goal would be, I want to retire early someday. Now, let's make it smart, specific. I want to accumulate $500,000 for retirement. Measurable. I will contribute $1,000 every month. Achievable. Based on my current income and expense analysis, this amount is realistic. Relevant. This goal directly supports my dream of early retirement. Time-bound. I aim to reach $500,000 in 25 years. This SMART goal gives you clarity and a roadmap to follow, making it much more actionable. If you have seen this video to this point, then congratulations, you are already set for financial success. Quickly take this quiz. At this point, do you have a financial goal? Is your financial goal SMART? What actions do you need to take going forward? Please drop your answer in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Now let's wrap this video up with tips for staying on track and common mistakes to avoid. Now that you know how to set a SMART goal, here are some tips to keep you moving forward. Write it down, document your goals, and revisit them regularly. Break it down. Divide your goal into smaller milestones. Celebrate each small win along the way. Use tools. Leverage budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your progress. Be flexible. Life happens. If your situation changes, adjust your goal, but never lose sight of your end target. Watch out for these common mistakes: setting vague or overly ambitious goals without a plan, failing to track your progress, ignoring changes in your financial situation. Remember, the SMART framework is here to guide you. If you notice you are off track, reassess and tweak your goal as needed. We are sure it has been an interesting and eye-opening session on how you can set SMART financial goals. By making your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you're setting yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your own SMART financial goal in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, every great financial journey starts with a SMART step.